bodybuilding is connected to all kind of people, even actors. All actors in Hollywood know what bodybuilding is and who was or is in the top. One can't work without another thing. If you have discipline but no genetics, it's hard, right? So, but if you have genetics and can't work hard, you cannot reach a level. I would say genetic, hard work, and discipline. Discipline decides who you are and how far you can go. It's not just getting the pump, it's feeling the pump.
Being sensitive
Yes,
to oneself.
yes.
So you build the body as much as you build the character.
Absolutely, yes, yeah. So without it, you will be like another people in the gym, just doing something. That's like, I would say 80% in the gym, just going to the gym just to, be active. There's no involvement from whole body.
What's the differences that you have adapted to and not adapted to while being in Russia for all this time?
Well, a lot of things are different. Easy to adapt was to the service. The service here in restaurant, everywhere, or how easy it is to manage everything from buying food, ordering food, getting a taxi cab, or do money transfers just with your phone. So that system is nowhere else in the world. This is an amazing thing, so I love it. It's so easy,